So what you can also easily do in ILovePDF is if you have a large PDF file, let's say for example, and you want a summary of it, then you can use ILovePDF's AI feature called AI Summarizer. You can go ahead and click right here. And as you do that, what happens is that the PDF Summarizer page actually loads up. And here you can go ahead and select out the PDF file that you want to go ahead and summarize. Let's say, for example, I'm going to select the recloud present file right here and click on open. And once you do that, what happens is that the AI summarizer will go through the content right here and understand it itself right here. And it is asking you like how you want it to summarize. By utilizing, let's say, AI credits right here in a premium account, you can go for advanced AI. The basic one is free right here, just like this, which is good enough as well. So you can go for a long, let's say, for example, summary, or a short one. So let's just go for a short one right here and click on continue right here. So once you do that, over here on the right hand side now, you can see like the AI is working out, and you can see that it gives a summary of the entire page. So here you can see it says the world features is there, there's header, footer, cover pages, there's design elements right here. Multimedia video embedding tables are here, and you can see it is suggesting like what are the features and so forth right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see, and then you can go ahead and ask it a question as well. For example, I can simply go ahead and say what is the document about. So it's just like talking to your PDF right here, just like this, after you have uploaded it. Then as per the content present in the PDF right here, it'll go ahead and answer out my question. So you can see that you need to go ahead and wait for a while, and it simply goes ahead and answers it out, as you can see right here. It says this document is about features and updates in Microsoft Word that helps create professional looking documents right here. So you can see that this is what you have right here. You can see that it's about Word, provide header, footer, cover page, and so forth. So it's actually a template right here. And then you can see that ILovePDF like knew about it. You can go ahead and copy this out as well, and you can go ahead and communicate with AI right here, just like this, and get a summary of the entire document easily. So hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.